Bhagavad Gita as it is by world's foremost Vedic scholar A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada is the world's most popular, largely read bona fide copy of Bhagavad Gita. Since 1972, it has been translated over 60 languages and it is the number one copy of Bhagavad Gita as ranked by Amazon. And till today, it has more than 50 millions of happy buyers having it and reading it. Thus, it becomes the world's most sold copy of Bhagavad Gita. See friends, the literal meaning of Bhagavad Gita is the Song of God. And this Song of God is not a new generation book. It is an ancient wisdom. It is the crest jewel of Vedic wisdom. So, if any of you are wondering like which Bhagavad Gita to buy, which author to trust, then I congratulate you, because for this single book of Bhagavad Gita there are millions authors, so many editions that any normal reader gets perplexed like which Bhagavad Gita to trust, because they give so many different conclusions that it is but obvious that anyone will get confused. So, through this video, I will try to mention three key points by which we can trust the authenticity for this scriptural book. Number one is Guru Shishya Parampara. Now, Parampara means succession of spiritual master and disciple, which is mentioned by Lord Krishna himself in the Gita. So, I just want to give one example, like just like the water flows from higher level to lower level, so is the knowledge. It comes from higher level to lower level. So any random person coming to you presenting their copy of Bhagavad Gita without having proper connection to any parampara or having any guru, then that copy is not trustworthy. Because in the history we also have seen that everyone had his or her guru. No one received knowledge on their own efforts. So everyone should be connected to Guru Shishya Parampara. Okay, now second point is authenticity of author. Test for author. Okay, now how will you test the authenticity for an author? Simply by his skillful, meticulous writing? No. That author should not be only connected to some Guru Parampara or having some Guru, but he should be leading a life example based on the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. See, if he is a disciple of some Guru, okay, part of some Parampara, but he is not following the teachings of Gita, how can you trust his edition of Gita? Like, we have to see the life example of that author and then only go to buy that copy of Bhagavad Gita. Yes? Okay. Now third point is the conclusion of Gita. Suppose you receive a copy of Gita extracted from 2-3 versions of Gita and you have it, you read it, spend a lot of time and arrive to the wrong conclusion. That is such a sheer waste of time, because that doesn't solve the purpose. See, the conclusion of Gita is like it teaches you the art of reviving your lost connection with God. It teaches you to generously, bravely live this world to the fullest of your potential. But if that Gita, so-called Gita that you have received, giving you wrong conclusions like this world is false, we are false, or we become zero one day, and or we are God, you are God, I am God, everyone is God, but Lord Krishna, who is God, is an ordinary person, then that is surely the signal that you have received an adulterated copy of Bhagavad Gita. Alright, so these three key criteria are there which might help you to check the authenticity of Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so I just want to share one thing that I had received a bona fide copy of Bhagavad Gita by my brother, and I'm very, very grateful to him that could satisfy all these three criteria, and it really helped me in understanding the message of Gita. It was very simply written. It is called Bhagavad Gita as it is, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, by Swami Srila Prabhupada, that it just helped me to understand the true meaning of Bhagavad Gita, and I urge all of you to get this Bhagavad Gita and understand what Lord Krishna wants to convey through Bhagavad Gita. Now this book is written very, very scholarly by Swami Srila Prabhupada. He comes from Brahma Madhva Gaudíya Sampradaya, which originates from the creator of this universe, Lord Brahma himself. And he has distributed this Vedic knowledge to all the world, and he has distributed it without any self-propaganda, and he contributed at large in making Vedic wisdom go viral in Western countries. See, the structure of this book is very scholarly. It includes all the 700 shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. As we know, first appears the Sanskrit text, then its English transliteration for those who don't understand Sanskrit, then comes word to word equivalent in English meaning, then comes translation in English, verse translation, then comes verse commentary, elaborate Bhaktivedanta commentary. You must get this book. You can find this book at any major e-commerce site and any bookstore, also in any ISKCON temple, ISKCON centers, and for an easy access you can just browse through this website, which is handled by ISKCON Chopati Temple, Radha Gopinath Girgaon Chopati Temple, and I just saw that they are giving flat 25% discount. You can just avail this opportunity. You can have it, you can read it and understand it. And if by any chance you have difficulty in understanding the meaning of Bhagavad Gita, because if you don't have any such background, then no worries, because this temple has so many scholars like Radha Gopinath Prabhu, Gaurang Prabhu, that they conduct their Bhakti Shastri classes, Bhagavad Gita courses, and courses like self-realization, which help you to understand the purpose or meanings of scripture. So I just urge you to get this copy of Bhagavad Gita as it is by Swami Srila Prabhupada, and just make your life meaningful. And when you are benefited through the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, please don't forget to share it with your friends and help them too. Alright, so that's it I wanted to convey through this video, and I wish you all a very happy Bhagavad Gita reading. Thank you very much for your time.